because I want to do a review of a product, of a new product that I've bought. And I created this look. Oh my god, I just love this look so much. It has a lot of shimmer and it's a minty eye look. I really hope you guys like it, and if you do, please rate the video positively and subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram or my blog. You already know the rules, so let's get started. So, the product that I want to do a quick review, just a quick review, it's this product by Huda Beauty, and these are matte and metal melted eyeshadows. So this we have the matte and this we have the blink, basically. The application is really quick. Oh my god, it's just like this, just like a lipstick, liquid lipstick, but it's an eyeshadow. I just bought this because I just love this, and these colors are minted and dinero. Oh my god, I just love it so much. And the application of this, it's like this. Oh my god, it's so pigmented, and just going to swatch a little for you guys. My god, look at this. It's incredible. It's just incredible. And let's get started with this look, basically. So let's get started with this review. I'm so excited about it. I'm really excited about it. I just primed my lid with this concealer by Lancome. Antidote, obviously. I just love to prime my lid with that concealer because it's really powerful. And now let's do this. I'm going to do just like a winged eyeliner, like this, messy winged eyeliner with a lot of shimmering on the top. So the application is really nice, really soft. Oh my god, I just love this. I just love this so much. And the color really pops on your lids. It's incredible. Now, I'm in love with this. I need this in my life in more colors. My god, it's so easy. I mean, it's so easy to work with this, and the pigmentation of it, it's insane. Oh my god, I just love this so much. And now let's close this part and let's go to dinero. I'm going just to pop this color right on the top. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Oh, I'm liking a lot. It leaves a wet finish on your lids, which I really love, and it's really trendy. Right here as well. Here I'm going to just smudge the color. Oh my god, it's unbelievable. It's unbelievable that in 3 minutes I did this makeup. 4 minutes, okay, 4 minutes. In 4 minutes I did this makeup. It's incredible how this product can help your daily routine. Oh my god. Of course, there are more basic colors, like for example pinks and more purplish colors, but I like to stand out, so I bought Minted and Dinero. So it's really nice. Oh my god, it's really nice. I didn't even bake my concealer with powder or some other eyeshadow, for example. I didn't even do that. I just applied this and then this on the top, and it's incredible. I need more colors. Huda, if you're watching this video, oh my god, I need to congratulate you, because this product, it's fantastic. It's fantastic, and I need more colors right in my life. I need more colors. And now, of course, mascara time. Let's do this. Mascara, Lancome One Grandiose, obviously, and mascara applied. And now I'm going to film an unboxing video, and well, it's already filmed, an unboxing video, and a new haul that I bought on Sephora. And I bought this Cutie and Incredible by Incredible gloss. This one with these stones, amethyst stones right inside it. I just love it so much. And this is a roll-on. I'm just wearing this because my eye pops a lot. So, and I wanted to test it out. I'm testing out new products, so for you guys. So I just love the finish, how soft it is. And this is a gloss, but it's not sticky. It's not at all. It's not sticky at all. I just love this new formula, and I'm going to buy a new one, obviously. Incredible, you are incredible. And this is a look. This is a look. Let me see if I can focus a little. Oh my god, I can focus a little more. This is the final look. Oh my god. So sorry. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this shimmer and enjoy these new products. I've already filmed a whole unboxing video for you guys, and because I know you guys all love it. So yeah, stay tuned and follow me on Instagram, follow me on my blog, subscribe to my channel here and give me a thumbs up, it's really important. And yeah, I'll see you next video.